Alright, so we're at the end of 2021 now, and I got this. This is the S9. I got this in, I believe that was 2018, late 2018. So I've had this for 3 years now. One of the first things I got with it was the OtterBox. It's kind of amazing because just today, I pulled it out of my pocket and the clip broke. So it lasted me 3 years, which is actually extremely impressive considering the amount of abuse I put this thing through. Like, I am constantly dropping this thing, throwing it around, it's smashing into things. Like, I'm very bad with my stuff. But it's managed to last. I mostly keep this case covering the camera just because I want to make sure that I keep that in good condition. But even with that, the screen itself has lasted just because of the rubber protection on the sides. The buttons, everything on here is still good. So I'll just take this off so you can get a look at the phone. It's got the rubber on there. There's very few things that can actually destroy this thing. It's gonna have some grime and dirt in there because, I mean, I keep this thing on all the time, and I've had it on, this is the only case I've had on here for 3 years, so. I don't really like upgrading. The only reason I even upgraded to the S21 is because the S9 is a 3G. They're shutting down the 3G network, so if they hadn't done that, I would have just kept this phone forever, or as long as I could. There we go. So there's the phone. You can see still in excellent condition all the way around. Yeah, too bad it's not going to be working anymore. So naturally, I want this phone to last as long as I can, and I'm hoping the 5G network doesn't disappear anytime soon. So I got an OtterBox for it. This one is the same style, same design. Got this stand on here, so I can just kind of lock that thing in like that, use it for watching videos or whatever. Don't really use that often. What I mostly use this for is I keep this on my front pocket on my shirt, and I will stick it in my pocket and clip this on the outside. That way I can lean over it. I don't have to worry about this thing ever falling out. So that's what I use this for. Pop this apart. And I love this soft material that they put on the back. Like this it feels almost like a velvet or something. It's extremely soft. It's a very nice cushion. So we'll drop that in. It's got the cutout for all 3 lenses and the light. And we'll snap this on. Okay, and put it in the case. There you go. Looks nice. So it's got these rubber inserts that sit inside these plugs, so I'm not even touching the button. I'm actually hitting the outside here, but somehow it always manages to work. It feels just like I'm hitting the regular button, so love that. And then on the bottom I got this rubber cover, which for me is crucial because, I mean, I work in a very dirty, dusty environment, and I can always get that thing crammed up, so it's great to have that extra layer of protection. And then this will clip on. There we go. Pretty cool.